Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn formulas of statistics. We'll explore a straightforward method to master statistical equations without rote memorization. First, we'll discuss understanding the underlying concepts, which is crucial for true comprehension. Then, we'll move on to practical application, ensuring you can use these formulas effectively. Finally, we'll cover strategies for consistent review, helping you retain this knowledge for the long term. This approach will make learning statistics much more accessible and enjoyable. Before diving into calculations, truly grasp the core concepts. For instance, understand what standard deviation represents. It's the average distance of data points from the mean. Don't just memorize the symbols, comprehend their meaning and purpose. Think about how a formula like the mean, which is the sum of all values divided by the count, helps describe a dataset. This conceptual clarity makes the formula itself much easier to recall and apply correctly in various scenarios. Consistent practice is absolutely key to mastering statistical formulas. Start with straightforward problems and gradually increase complexity. For example, calculate the variance for a small dataset of 5 numbers, then move to a larger set of 20. Don't just get the answer, understand each step. Try explaining the formula and its application to someone else, or even to yourself. This active engagement helps embed the knowledge deeply, making recall much faster and more accurate during assessments. To ensure long-term retention, consistent review is essential. Instead of cramming, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to revisit a few formulas. For example, on Monday, review the mean and median. On Tuesday, focus on standard deviation and variance. Use flashcards for quick checks of symbols and definitions. Explaining a formula, like the z-score, to a peer can highlight any gaps in your understanding. This spaced repetition and active recall will solidify your knowledge, making statistical formulas second nature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.